of India is going to establish a blood bank very soon. Dr. Machiswala will be the convener and he will choose his team to establish the blood bank.
Yes, definitely we really require blood bank in a very big way. There's a real shortage of blood and blood bank, and we welcome this move on behalf of Red Crescent Society of India to start a blood bank. I'm sure that is what we really require. See, there are a lot of diagnostic centers and charitable clinics and all that, but really frankly, how many people are starting blood bank? If somebody like Red Crescent Society of India, they start a blood bank, we really require it. You know, I mean, everybody must have faced some situation, whether for their family members or for their patient, when they really require blood, there's nobody to exchange blood also at some time, you know, you have to give it in return, and it's such a difficulty. And sometimes, of course, now there are strict rules which our Dr. Salunke Sahab has made. So now some of the blood banks are really working in a proper way. Otherwise, previously, what kind of blood we were getting, God alone knows. So with these few words, we will come to an end for today's program. I am sure it's still 3 minutes to 4. You can definitely rush to your house for your television program. If you all want to stay here, please have tea with us. We'll arrange for the television over here also. Dr. Peter Rodrigues wants to share something. Please, Dr. Peter.
Chief guest, Dr. Subhas Salunke, Mr. Arshad Siddiqui, Dr. Machiswala, and my dear friends. It's been a great seminar, the seminar we had on hepatitis B. There's just one announcement I'd like to make to you. There's another problem we face, especially as ENT surgeons, and that is submucous fibrosis. Submucous fibrosis is a condition which is caused by gutka chewing, and I'm sure many of you have seen these cases. In extreme cases of submucous fibrosis where trismus has occurred, we do surgery. But this special announcement I'm making to you is that there is a company, Ajanta Pharmaceuticals, which has started a new antioxidant, and it is available free of cost. If any of your patients early cases of submucous fibrosis would like to send them to me, this antioxidant is available free of cost. I will give it to them because we are doing a trial study. We are already halfway through our study, and the results have been very encouraging. If you have any cases, please do send them to me, and I'm sure I will help them. Thank you very much.
One really final announcement. If I would have not made this announcement, Dr. A.R. Undre would have really bashed me up. And I must thank Dr. Farid Kimani. Free ticket for you. Next Sunday, 5th of November, Dr. A.R. Undre has organized a gala medical conference for the general practitioners at Hotel Regent Bandra, the 7-star hotel. It's from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And luminary speakers are going to come over there. People like Dr. N.H. Wadia, Dr. O.P. Kapoor, Dr. Bandukwala, and many other speakers. And they are having, you know, really very interesting topics. The ticket, as usual, is just 100 rupees for the ticket. There's going to be prizes, and of course, you know, the hotel and all this. Like the management are spending about 1,500 rupees per delegate, and only 100 rupees just for the sake of registration, so that you know you all come. So that ticket is available with Dr. B.H. Sayyed. If you all want, you all can buy it today. Otherwise, please this week you all can approach me, contact me. I've got the tickets with me. Just 100 rupees per ticket. And I request you all to please come to Hotel Regent next Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. a gala medical conference. Thank you very much. Thank you Arshad Siddiqui Sahab for sponsoring. Dr. Subhas Salunke Sahab, I will never ever forget in my life your presence today. Dr. Shanbag Sahab, Dr. S.N. Agarwal Sahab, आपका खाना बाकी है Dr. Agarwal Sahab. Don't go without having food. And all the office bearers of Indian Medical Association, the President of E-Ward Medical Association, Dr. Mascarene Sahab, thank you for being, and thank you each one of you. Please, my BC members, please be around. Mementos, Vishal Bhai, you wanted to take away the mementos back. तो वो बुके का बीज अभी दे देना था ना. Dr. Azimuddin, please, mementos के बगैर मत भेजो. Dr. Azimuddin and Imtiaz are presenting the Arshad Siddiqui Sahab के शुभ हाथों से special momentum for Dr. Salunke, Dr. Agarwal, Dr. Shanbag. Dr. Zubair is going to present. Dr. Zubair, please. डॉक्टर सालुंके साहब के हाथ. अच्छा. Who will take the who will want the pleasure of dropping Dr. Salunke साहब? कौन सी कार में जाना पसंद? नहीं, डॉक्टर सालुंके की गाड़ी उनको भेज देनी पड़ी वापस. We wanted your response and membership form of Red Crescent Society of India Doctors. Please try to fill up the response and please give it to us today. Those people who want to become have the free internet facility, Madam Tina is waiting outside for you all.
नहीं ऐसा है कि एक दिन में फिर आपको थोड़ा टाइम ऐसे रेगुलर बेसिस कई फॉर्म लेकिन रोज और अपने मतलब क्या है थोड़ा सा बोल बोल पानी में भी खड़े बोलते हैं नाम दूसरे फॉर्म देंगे